Herbal medicine has been an integral part of human health and wellness for centuries. One of the most effective and traditional ways of utilizing the medicinal properties of plants is through tinctures. Tinctures are concentrated extracts made by soaking herbs in alcohol or another solvent to extract their active compounds. This method of preparation not only preserves the beneficial properties of the plants, but also offers numerous advantages in terms of potency, ease of use, and versatility. Concentration of benefits. The primary reason for making tinctures is to concentrate the benefits of medicinal plants. When herbs are soaked in alcohol, the solvent extracts the plant's active compounds, concentrating them into a potent liquid form. This process makes it easier to consume therapeutic doses of the plant's beneficial constituents. For example, rather than ingesting large quantities of dried herbs, a few drops of a tincture can deliver an equivalent amount of active compounds. This concentration is particularly advantageous for individuals who need to take specific dosages for medicinal purposes. Preservation of medicinal properties. Tinctures also offer the benefit of long-term preservation. The alcohol used in tinctures acts as a natural preservative, significantly extending the shelf life of the plant's beneficial compounds. While fresh or dried herbs may lose their potency over time, tinctures can remain effective for several years if stored properly. This makes tinctures a practical option for maintaining a consistent supply of herbal medicine. Ease of use and rapid absorption. One of the most practical benefits of tinctures is their ease of use. Tinctures are typically administered by placing a few drops under the tongue or mixing them with water, tea, or other beverages. This method of consumption is convenient and user-friendly, especially for individuals who may not enjoy the taste of certain herbs or have difficulty swallowing pills. Furthermore, when taken sublingually, tinctures are absorbed quickly into the bloodstream, allowing for a faster onset of effects compared to some other forms of herbal medicine. This rapid absorption can be particularly beneficial in acute situations where immediate relief is desired. Customization and versatility. Tinctures allow for precise dosing and can be easily customized to meet individual health needs. Herbalists can create custom blends by combining different tinctures, tailoring the mixture to address specific health concerns. This level of customization is not as easily achievable with other forms of herbal medicine, such as capsules or teas. Additionally, tinctures can be made from a wide variety of plants, including herbs, roots, bark, and flowers, making them a versatile option for addressing a broad spectrum of health issues. Increased potency with dehydrated herbs. An important aspect of making tinctures that enhances their effectiveness is the use of dehydrated herbs. When herbs are dehydrated before being used to make tinctures, the potency of the final product is increased. Dehydration removes the water content from the plant material, concentrating its active compounds. As a result, less herb is needed to achieve the desired therapeutic effects. This not only makes the tincture more potent, but also more economical, as smaller quantities of plant material can produce a highly effective tincture. Accessibility of plant compounds. Certain plant compounds are not water-soluble and are more effectively extracted using alcohol. Tinctures make these compounds accessible for use in herbal medicine. This is particularly important for plants whose beneficial constituents cannot be easily extracted through water-based methods like teas or infusions. By using alcohol as a solvent, tinctures ensure that a broader range of the plant's active compounds is captured and utilized. Tinctures are a powerful and versatile form of herbal medicine that offer numerous benefits. They concentrate the medicinal properties of plants, preserve their potency over time, and provide a convenient and effective means of administration. The use of dehydrated herbs in tincture making further enhances the potency of these extracts, making them an efficient and economical choice for those seeking the therapeutic benefits of medicinal plants. With their ease of use, rapid absorption, and customizable nature, tinctures stand out as a highly practical and potent method for harnessing the healing power of herbs.